Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to access CapCut templates. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To access CapCut templates, follow these steps. Firstly, open the CapCut app on your device. Navigate to the template section, where you'll find a variety of pre-made templates with different effects. Explore the numerous templates available, designed for various types of effects on edits. Tap on the desired template to view its details. To use the template for your video, tap on the Use template, and this simplifies the video making process by allowing you to easily choose pre-made edits, effects, and etc. That's how you can access CapCut templates, streamlining your video editing experience. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.